Hey guys, it's Jim with the AirZoo. Let's talk about the rear of the F-117, also known as the Platypus. And our volunteers have built this really nice platform in which you can see the platypus because it's meant to be hidden. And as you can see, unlike other planes like the F-104 there, that has just a big hole for the exhaust, you can see that this exhaust is nice and thin and nice and long. And that was to really help reduce infrared radiation and radar detection to maintain the stealth profile of this aircraft. The idea was exhaust port like this, radar waves couldn't come in and hit the engine and reflect back, but also it just meant that the air was more spread out to allow it to easier cool. We had a heat blanket here that would reflect heat, and then we would have heat reflecting tiles here that would also reflect heat. And the idea is they want to keep as much heat off the metal itself so it couldn't be seen from below, because if this panel below that covers the exhaust heated up, then that could become a target for an infrared seeking missile of some sort. Really cool design. You can see this little slit here, and that was for bypass air, so air that would completely bypass the engine and would maintain an ambient temperature. This would come in and help cool these tiles, but also help come up, churn amongst the hot exhaust, and that would all come up and get churned by the ruddervators here to once again maintain a nice stealth profile. So some really cool design here. Lockheed and Skunk Works had a real difficult time designing this aspect of the plane. It was a mix between performance and stealth and just trying to find the right balance.